Welcome back guys to Crypto for Life channel. Today we'd like to talk about DYDX price chart, Bitcoin price chart, DXY index. First of all, what do you have to know? Nobody can tell you exact bottom for the Bitcoin or even for S&P 500 or even for any coin. We just work with possibilities. So now, like you can see on Twitter, a lot of gurus, a lot of crypto gurus, a lot of crypto traders start talking about the 15K, 10K. So even 7K is confirmed. It looks similar, like everybody talk about 100K or even 150K for Bitcoin confirmed 100% by end of 2021 or 2022. Google and find some articles in the Forbes, start shilling the Bitcoin as a new gold. And now they start talking about the Bitcoin going to zero. So this is how the media and influencer work with your psychology and emotional state. So just be careful and only use your investment strategy or trading strategy, because when you start looking, oh, this guy tell this one, oh, this guy tell the 15K is bottom, so this guy tell it's 10K, and you start mess around with information and you can lose your money. So just follow your strategy. A lot of people show information will drop it down than previous high, but possibly is not. Possibly is not, because look on the chart. If we're using the different metrics, we can find the different numbers. So look, it's a basic candles on the chart. We are dropping down lower than the previous high. So the high was 19,666 and now the low was 17 and also 600. So 2,000 we drop it lower than the previous high. But look, if we change to the lines, the top was 13 and 880, almost around, and we just drop it to 19 and 900. So we got almost 6,000 range. So we can drop to 15K and we are still not break the previous high. So we don't know which metrics you, the big players, market maker use. That's why we just work with possibilities and nobody can tell you exact bottom. So also look, if we double check the candles on Bitcoin price chart, looks good in three waves, you know, like one wave's down, second and third one, the last one. All right, we found a bottom at minus 0.86 level by FIB. And we got 3 months down, 2 months green, and 3 months red once again. If we use the Heikin-Ashi candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 months in a row, we're in the red zone. It's crazy. It's insane. Almost 1 year we are in the red zone. We're just going down, down, down. So possibly 17K, it was a bottom. Nobody knows. So look, on RSI, I think we can make a move like this one a little bit to neutral zone here and drop it down once again in September or even October and find a bottom on the RSI on a monthly time frame. We never touch the monthly bottom on RSI. So yes, in this case, we will drop to 15K or even 17K once again and forming double bottom. So here is how it looks on a 4-hour time frame and on a daily time frame. Look, we got a bottom here, squeeze down, bottom, and FIB still in place. So here's the top, 0.5 correction, show the direction. So we have to break now this line once again. Took liquidity at 0.78 and 86 level by FIB. Reject, took liquidity one more time and going up. Walk from level to level, 38.61, 38.0.5. So now we can skyrocket to this range. In this area, nothing here. So it means we can go to the next imbalance zone. And here, if we reject at 27, we going down once again to test 17K and forming double bottom or breaking out and drop it down if we're not hold this line. But if we test this zone in June, reject, test it once again and reject at 34, then we can going down even to December, forming the bottom around 13 or even 15K. So yes, this scenario is possible, because in my previous videos about Bitcoin, I already explained you how it works with DXY and S&P 500. S&P 500 can now skyrocket to 4,000 and then drop it down once again to 3,300. It will be the capitulation. And DXY now it's really in a good condition. So now DXY index at 106, it's higher than the previous 15 years. So here, for example, the top on DXY January 17, DXY drop it down to January 18. What we got this period with Bitcoin, January 17, and we grows all this cycle to December 17 and beginning of January 18. So everything going in the mirror way. Then new top here, March 2020, and we drop it down to February 2021. We got here March 2020 and here February and March 2021. Here is the top and here is the bottom. So everything going in a mirror cycle. DXY going up, Bitcoin going down. DXY find the all-time high and going down, Bitcoin start move up. So for Bitcoin, I can tell you we are not find the bottom yet because we have to wait the confirmation. I think around August and September we will find the potential bottom for Bitcoin. So now we have to make a move up with all this short ETF news. We have to make a pump. The people open a lot of shorts and we are start going down. And in one perfect time, they liquidate all the short position. So now let's jump into DYDX price chart. In the last few days, DYDX showed a great result because like you can see from the bottom here in June 19, we make a good impulsive move up around 100%. But it's not the top for DYDX because I think we have to go in higher to the next imbalance zone. So here we got a bottom, top, correction to 0.5 level by FIB and reject at 0.61 level by FIB. Now it's possible to drop around zero level, $1.58 and then bounce it to new imbalance zone. It will be around here 252. It's a minus 1.61 and 2.61. It's $3.10, $3.18. And in this range, you can start looking on a short position, open short position for August. But in July, I think we can see the green months, some small but green months for DYDX. On a daily time frame, on the money flow, we are at the top. On a QDG, almost at the top. On the stochastic RSI, almost at the top. And on RSI, also almost at the top. But on the weekly time frame, that's why we have to zoom out. We can see the possible bottom on the weekly time frame for DYDX. That's why I think we can make a move like this one, reject and drop it down, forming double bottom. So in area around $3.10 or $2.50, you can start looking some short position. But now open short for DYDX, it can be really dangerous because if you zoom out on a weekly time frame, on a monthly time frame, we are going down so long period. On a monthly time frame, we are 9 months in a row red. So after 9 months in a row red, we can start climbing a little bit, just show the direction to $3.10. There you can start looking on an open short position once again. Guys, write this in comment. What do you think about the DYDX price chart? Are we going to $3 or we now from this current price going to test once again $1? And do you think Bitcoin can hit 25K or we going from this current price to 15 or even 10K? Thank you for watching. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the bell notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.